KARL, KANI.
Oh, is it KANI?
I don't know.
I said KANI.
In the video? I'm listening to nothing this dumb whole thing. It's too big for her.
Shut up.
Okay. So we have the, what's the one called?
You dumb.
We have the, anytime y'all show something, she give it a little. Okay, we have the.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. And today I am doing another haul. It's with the Teyana Taylor and KARL KANI collection. I don't know if it's KARL KANI. I really do not know how to fully pronounce the name, but it's with the collab of Pretty Little Thing. And I got some stuff and I just want to show y'all what I got and try it on for y'all. And we gonna see how it look, because online they make stuff look real good, so I just want to see if it's gonna look as good on me. I know it ain't gonna look bomb like on Teyana Taylor because she's body goals. I love, Teyana Taylor is right under Rihanna for me, and she's right here, right up on her. So y'all should know I am absolutely in love with her, just like I am with Rihanna, and she's just a huge inspiration to me as well. So the first thing I got, and y'all know, I don't know if y'all know this, but whoever shops with Pretty Little Thing, it come with the little Pretty Little Thing little clothing tag or whatever, and you gotta keep it on there just in case, I like to keep mine on just in case, because once you take it off you can't return it. The first thing I got is, I don't know if it, yeah, it's the white crop t-shirt, and it's like a little jersey, and I like it. I just think it's so cute. It's a little crop. It's smaller than what I thought, as far as the cropped part of it. Thought it would be a little longer, but I don't really care because I like this and I'm gonna wear it regardless, so it's really pretty. It is a little sheer, you could see a little through it, and I got this in a size 8, I think. Yeah, it's a size 8. So then I just got the black one as well, the one that comes in black. I love this. I love black. Black is my go-to, so I needed it. Anything that comes in color and come in black, I usually get black first and then I'll get the color, and that's exactly what I did. I had to get this. It is too cute to me. I just love black. Y'all don't understand. And I never knew my love for black. Oh, this is the black bodycon skirt. So it comes like this. I don't even know if this is gonna fit me, y'all. I don't know if y'all know how small I am at the bottom, but my legs are little, so I don't even know if this gonna fit me. So I don't know, but looks can be deceiving. Watch this thing be so short on me. Oh my goodness. It has a little waistband that stretches, and then the material is stretchy too. The material seems really comfortable. I got this in a size 8 as well. I think I got everything in a size 8. I don't know. I'm still trying to get used to their sizes and really figure out what works for me. So far the 8 been working, but I think I have room to shrink it to the lower size. I don't know. I just don't want to test it out. So yeah, got that. So then this next one, oh, I got a dress. Oh, I got a dress. I forgot I got this. I don't even wear dresses, literally. I'm not a tomboy. I'm right. Whatever is in between a girly girl and a tomboy, that's me. I really do not dress up ever. But I wear makeup. Y'all know I'm a makeup artist, so why wouldn't I? But I don't dress up. But I don't dress like no little boy either. Like, I get cute. But it's always cute, casual. You know, I don't wear skirts and I don't wear dresses. That's all out. And I don't wear heels. That's all out too. So I don't even know. I forgot I even got this. I think I was trying to step outside my comfort zone or something, because I really don't know why I got this. But I'll wear it one day. I really don't mind wearing it. Just, I mean, it's hot here, so it just looked like this, and then it made room for the hips down there. So yeah, it's real cute, real cute and real stretchy. The material, what I do like is the material is really, it's not really thin, but it's cute, and it's nice for the summer. And it's so hot here, so that's what I do like. So even though I got a lot of black stuff, the material is very comfortable. I could tell by feeling it. I really like the material, and it's stretchy. So yeah. Alright, so the next thing I got are these shorts. They're regular jean shorts, and they kind of, you could tell they're cheeky. They're really cheeky, you could tell. And I got a size 8 in these. 2, I believe, they're just the black ones. So yeah, and then I just needed some shorts for summer, so I got some because it's hot outside. And I thought these pair of shorts, I thought these were my last pair. So same, these are the same, but this time they're just the vintage wash. That's what it says on the tag. These are cheeky as well. You could tell just on her, they were really cheeky, like her booty was out. I mean, I don't know if that's how it's gonna be for everybody, because I don't got no butt. So I was thinking, okay, maybe it won't be like that for me because I don't got no booty. Okay, so I got the black backless bodysuit. This is how it looks. It's just like the dress, but it's a bodysuit and not a dress. Just plain black and white, real simple. So I got that, and I feel like if you don't wear like any high-waisted bottoms with these, your sides are going to be showing, because that's how, like, these are really like far up. So I don't know, we'll see when I try it on, but it's really cute. I like it. It's really cute. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so that was the last item of this clothing haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I don't know if they still have this available, because I know I had ordered it within the same day of launch. Like, I think I was maybe like a couple hours like behind when I ordered it. Like, I don't know, but within that same day, sizes were going out of stock, and I'm a size 8, so if you get a size 8 or even a size below, because I would try doing a size below and then a size up, so but they're sold out, all 3 of them. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. So be sure to like this video, comment down below what you would like to see on my channel, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.
And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change, it's hard, no scars.